Dito tayo sa Santa Cruz. Ito yung ating ika-11 na church. Malapit lang sa Quiapo. And palapit na pa tayo sa ating last day churches, which is malapit lang. And syempre, Santa Cruz ay napaka-historical. Matagal na to at well, first time ko pumunta dito na mag-alas 12 na. At so far, pinaka-solemn. And also, this is actually one of the best church because you learn more about the Eucharist. This is just actually dedicated to this church. There's Our Lady of the Eucharist. Yeah, dahil nga kaka-adoration of the Holy Sacrament. So, nandoon, maraming tao, kita nyo. And it's mag-alas 12 na. Puno pa rin ang tao dumataling. Pumapasok na malabas, galing sa iba't ibang lugar, galing sa iba't ibang probinsya. Minsan, ewan ko, may mga taga-ibang bansa. So, yun. So, let's go now to our next church. And again, have a blessed Holy Week.